Okay, so we're going to take a look at this course that has multiple meeting links in it, and I think we're going to troubleshoot a problem that you're having that has happened because some of the links were created uh, through a different Google account, a different Google Meet account. Uh, so uh, So we'll diagnose the problem first. So when we click on this link here, you'll see that it's fine to let me join. I can join now right here. Uh, that's exactly what we would expect if this was created through the mcad.edu sort of account, because it lets other people in that same Google Suite account in automatically. Um, when we go to one of these breakout groups, though, we're going to see something a little different. This one wants me to ask whether or not ask to join, and that means that there has to be somebody already in the Hangout who is a part of that Google Suite in order for me to join that Google meeting. And I think I've looked through the rest of these, and it looks like all five of these breakout groups have kind of that same issue. They were just created using a different Google Meet, a different Gmail account. Probably, I would say, like if you are working at the U or something like that, it could be through through another institution like that. So how do we fix this? Well, we have a few different options. Probably, I mean, so the solution really is probably to replace these links. There's sort of a workaround if you don't have a lot of time. One thing that you could do, at least for this class period, if you don't want to, if you really can't sort of do this, it won't take very long to replace these. But what you can do is if you click on one of these links that's not kind of set up with the mcad.edu account, you can actually switch your account up here in the upper right hand corner. So you could switch this to be like the account that you like need it to be. So I could switch it to be this account. And now, like if this was the account from the institution where you created this, it would allow you to just jump in normally, and then you'd be able to let people in as they tried to get in. I'm going to switch that back. That's kind of a that's like kind of a workaround. It's probably not the best solution. The best solution is actually to replace those. So we're going to go to meet.google.com. We're going to create a new meeting. We're going to just to grab that meeting link real quick. Make sure that you're signed in to the right account here when you're creating it. You should also, from this like Google Meet page, make sure that this little picture, that this is your mcad.edu account. So when this is your mcad.edu account, anything you create from here should be through the mcad.edu like Google Suite, like Google Meet account. So once you've got that copied, you can change these links by going to this little circle with a down arrow. Click on that, and we want to I think no, we don't want to do that. We want to change the web link. So you go to that web link thing. You can copy in a different URL, the URL from the new meeting, and you can just do that for each 5 of these. It should take like 5 to 10 minutes. And if you want help with that, we can do that. But if we do that, then whichever one of us does that, we will be the owner of that meeting, which means that you won't be able to do some of those things that only the owner of the meeting can do. Like you wouldn't be able to mute other people, and you wouldn't be able to, if something was recorded, it would end up in our accounts rather than in your account, which is probably what you'd prefer. The it should go pretty fast to just replace those links. That would be my recommendation. All right, those are the basics. I think that covers it. All right.